Hello, I am Bekir Ferhat Yılmaz from ADS Engineering. I have returned with a new training video. In this training video, I will explain how to reset to factory settings in ACS380 series drives. If you want, we can perform the operations together on the demo set without wasting time. We will be selecting parameter 96 from the parameter list in order to restore the ACS380 drives to their factory settings. If we select the value of 96.06, our driver will be reset to its factory settings, reverting it back to the default configuration. This means that any customized adjustments or changes that have been made will be eliminated, and the driver will return to its original state as it was when first installed or acquired from the factory. Our driver has now returned to factory settings. In this training video, we explained how to reset to factory settings in ACS380 series drives. You can reach us through the contact information in the description for your questions. Thank you for watching.